Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix critical error failed to reach client settings for Roblox installer. So let's go ahead and do that quick and easy. First of all, you just need to write run and just need here to write clean mgr, then select drive when you want to install Roblox. In my case, it's disk C. Then you need to select everything here except thumbnails, select everything here except thumbnails and press OK. Wait until the process is done. Once done, you need to look if the problem still persists. Go ahead and launch your Roblox, and if the error goes through and still failed to reach client settings for Roblox installer, next up, what you need to do here, you need to write run again, and then here you need to write percent local update percent. Then you need to look for the Roblox folder. Then you just need to delete that particular folder. Once it's deleted, you need to wait for a couple of seconds. Then you need to go back to your browser and re-download Roblox installer at roblox.com/download or whatever you like. After you do so, just click on the installer and install Roblox as the usual install process for Roblox. If this does not work, then you need to write view network connections. It could be Ethernet, it could be your Wi-Fi, it really doesn't matter depending on what you use. Go to your network settings on your settings, go ahead and change adapter options. Here, just go ahead and right click on your Ethernet or Wi-Fi and disable the settings. Try your Roblox again. If that does not work, go ahead and go to your Windows, type in command prompt and run as administrator, and go ahead and type in ipconfig /flush DNS and then press enter. Another code we put here is netsh with sock reset, then press enter. This resets your DNS for your internet and your Wi-Fi. So go ahead and restart your PC once done and run Roblox after, and it should be working fine. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like. And if you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, please consider giving us subscription for the channel, and it really helps us a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.